air, Prithvi Tattva, Jal. We need presence, you need concentration, you need to focus on that. Meditation is defocusing. It may be shocking to many of you. Meditation is not an effort to force our mind to stay in a point. Rather, meditation is a simple relaxation, letting mind be what it is. Yeah? So, in our ancient thinking, we have always said Tattva Bodha. There are principles: earth, water, fire, air, Prithvi Tattva, Jala Tattva, Agni Tattva, Vayu Tattva, Akash Tattva. And then Man, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar. Mano Tattva, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar. These are the Tattvas, means principles. So we go by principles and find out who we really are. Yeah. So now let us sit comfortably, easily. As I said, meditation is not concentration, number one. Second, meditation is not through effort, it is effortless. Second principle, effortless. Third is, mind is subtler than air and water, so it spreads, let it spread. We don't hold mind anywhere, we let mind to spread and relax. Okay, let us sit comfortably, easily, close our eyes. And you need not listen to my instruction too intently, just take it by the way, like you hear any other sound around you. You are listening to the instruction like you listen to a music, not like you listen to someone's talking, where you intently listen. Intently listening does not let you relax. So just relax. Now let's chant Om 3 times. Om. Feel the vibration of the sound. Om means eternal peace and unconditional love. Om. Om is the primordial sound from which the whole universe has happened. Om. Now let's just relax our shoulders, our arms, let us honor our own body. Our body is a precious gift to us from nature, from the divine. Let us honor our own body. This body is made up of earth element. It has come up from the earth and will go back to the earth. Let us honor the earth as well. Along with the body, let us honor the earth element. Let's take another deep breath in and relax. %70 of body has water element. In fact, our body is like a sachet of water, fluids. Let us honor the water element. Without water, we cannot survive. For drinking, for bathing, for everything we need water. We are grateful for the fluids, the water element. Let's take another deep breath in and breathe out. Our body has fire element. Without the heat in the body, nothing works. Let us honor the sun, which is responsible for our planet Earth and our existence, and all the warmth and energy that we carry on. Our body has trillions and trillions of cells, ever changing. Let us honor the energy in us, the fire element. Another deep breath in and relax. Let us become aware of the air element all around us and within us. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Let us honor the air inside of us and around us. Let's take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Incoming breath energizes the body and outgoing breath brings relaxation. Let us become familiar with this phenomenon. In fact, every living cell in our body is breathing. Not just the lungs, our entire body is breathing in and out. Let us become familiar with this. As you breathe in, know that every cell in your body is breathing in, and as you are breathing out, this phenomenon is continuing. Your body is in sync with the breath and its rhythm. Every cell is breathing and is in sync. Except the nails and hairs, everything else is breathing. Every cell is using oxygen. Let's move on and become aware of the space around us. Become aware of the walls to your left and right. And to your front and back. Become aware of the space above the head up to the ceiling. Another deep breath in and let go. Relax. Let us become aware of our mind. Whatever thoughts are there in the mind, just let them be there. Our body is like a wick of a candle. Mind is like the glow around it. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति. Our body is inside the mind. As you relax, the mind expands. And as the mind expands, your body finds deeper relaxation. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, embrace them all. Any discomfort, uneasiness, let it be there. Embrace them too. Let us become aware of the vast sky and millions of stars. Let the mind expand more and more to cognize vast space. Let go of all your efforts. सभी परिश्रम छोड़ दे, सभी प्रयत्न छोड़ दे. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just let go of all your efforts. You are space. Our self is space, unblemished, unfluttered, unaffected. All the feelings change, thoughts change, body changes, but you don't. Repose in yourself. Become aware of the space behind your head and let your mind spread behind your head. Let's spread our mind like a background curtain behind our head and relax and repose. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. And with a big smile, let's take a deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. Let's breathe in again with a smile, and let's breathe out with a big smile, and we may open our eyes.